Good morning. Good morning. Here's in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we visiting the Wat Chedi Luang. Wat Chedi Luang temple is the first temple, in Chiang Mai. And we found this tree. Look, this tree. There's a different name, but the science name is called Shorea Robusta rocks. That's what I Google it. But in Thai we call it Sara tree. Naka Sara tree. In India they have like Sara Indian or something. Yeah. It's really special. You see, special. See the flowers. The flowers very beautiful, colorful, and special shape. Kind of, like look like you can eat the bug. And there's like a fruit. I don't know what kind of fruit or something, but it looked like a fruit to me. But it's really hard. It looked like a coconut, and the sound, like hard, like when you bang on a coconut shell. I never seen inside. I wonder if there's a lot of seed in here or not that we could grow. The tree itself is hardwood trees. I read about it, and they said in India they used to build like house, like especially like the door and the window frame, because it's very strong. It's beautiful. I love this tree. You don't get to see that much, Very rare. This is we call Chedi Luang, like a pagoda. Chedi Luang. Luang in the north mean Yai in Thai mean big. Big. And I will show you further. There's a lot of lantern hanging because 2 nights ago was Loi Krathong festival, and Loi Krathong festival is a big celebration. And as you know, this year, so funny, Halloween and Loi Krathong festival start the same first night, 31st of October, which is not happen that often. See, beautiful, the lantern. I love the color, so colorful. It's very peaceful here. There are 2 young monks. They go to study. There's a school monk inside here, the building in the back. Rakang. The bell in Thai we call Rakang. For luck. Oh, it blossom off the season. You see that? This is my favorite flower. Local we call it dog coon. Dog coon. Or Rajaput flower. Actually, this one is the flower of Thailand. It's not orchid. A lot of people thought it's orchid. No, but this is the one. It's the flower of Thailand. It's amazing. Probably the gardener here, they look after very well, and they add as a fertilizer that to make them blossom before the season come. Like usually it blossom before Thai New Year, like about the mid of March, and then during the whole month of April, like the Songkran, the Thai, Thai New Year, the water festival. Oh, this looks so much. It's gonna blossom soon. See, this flower was inside this green. What you call it? And each tree, see, they have this written down. In Thai is rich ฉันรักการเดินทางแต่ฉันเกลียดการไปแต่ฉันเกลียดการไปถึง I love the travel but I hate to arrive For me I think I always excited where I'm going and when I'm arrive when I see things like wow I'm always excited